Here she is. Holy shit, we're in gear.
here she is. But the real gem, my first love, is right there. The 1020. But we won't talk about her. We'll talk about this piece of garbage. Well, I mean, it's not a piece of garbage. I'm starting to like it because my hands hurt so much that I can't really not like it, but just got done cleaning the front cover today, just cleaning everything because everything is just so dirty. But you know, it's a late 70s, early 80s John Deere 450C. So it has a little 4-cylinder turbo diesel in there, and I'm in the process of doing the field find thing, you know. So it's a buddy of mine contacted me, and there was a gentleman that he knew that wanted to get rid of it, and it hadn't ran and hadn't been moved in years, and so that's kind of the background of the story. It's got a 6-way blade on it. Undercarriage is, you know, seen better days, but there's always things that you can say could be worked on with something that's this old. So again, just trying to clean everything. You know, a lot of just surface rust, just dirtiness. You know, seat's gone, completely rusted away. Same with the armrest, but gonna do a full flush, all new fluids, all new filters. Gonna get in there, do the final drives, flush those out. The hydraulic fluid looked like I don't know, maple syrup mixed with maple syrup's not a good way to describe it. It was like the crappiest looking hydraulic fluid you've ever seen. I guess that's the only way I could really describe it. But yeah, you know, I'm excited about it. You know, the plan's not to keep the dozer. The plan is to take this thing that I got for free and hopefully turn it into what will be cash in hand. Maybe play with it out in the field, you know, go level some stuff that's doesn't really need to be leveled. But again, who doesn't want to play with a dozer? So yeah, more to come. And yeah, okay, the work continues on the John Deere 450C. I continued to remove stuff, remove the fuel filter assembly today, a bunch of lines to be able to have better access to clean things. It's yeah, it's a slow process. It's just so gnarly. I think this thing was in deep mud, moving a bunch of stuff, you know, just a bunch of spoils, or I have no idea, but it is absolutely so dirty. But yeah, just making progress, trying to get to the point where I can start putting stuff back together. Gonna do the valve cover, the rocker cover, do that seal. I'll end up stripping the pan off, and yeah,